So is Colourpop a drugstore brand? It's an indie brand, but it's always a bit confusing to me. Now, you can't actually get it at drugstores, physical drugstores. You can get it at Ulta in the States. Us poor UK humans have to get it in the mail. So I ordered a bundle, Colourpop and Grinch collection that's been released for Christmas. It was about 93 UK pounds. And I got all of this in one bundle. The eyeshadow palette has 15 colours. I got 3 lip glosses. Fake Reindeer is the beige, Sweet Little Tot is the pink, and the mean one is red. Carrying on, there's 2 eyeshadow sticks, both of them metallic. Whoville is pink and Who Stocking is beige. Now, my favourite that I really wanted to see was this Who Wash Body Glitter Gel. It's amazing. It's a glitter packed gel which you're supposed to actually apply with your fingertips to the body. But can you see there's little stars in there? There's the Super Shock Highlighter Kit, 2 sizes too small, and Grew 3 sizes. And I also got a lip kit. I haven't filmed it because I'm going to demo it. And not to forget, I also got a French Kiss Vanilla Cake lip mask, which I'm actually going to put on while I put on the rest of my makeup. I've zoomed you in so you can see what I'm doing. I've actually added my foundation, eyebrows are done, and put a little bit of liner on my eyes and some mascara and some blush. I'll list all the products that I've used down below as usual. Eyes first. I'm quite in love with green at the moment, and I want to do something quite colourful as we're coming up to the holiday season. So I'm going to use this row here. I really want to use this green, which is Mr. Grinch, and it's a kind of Colourpop special in terms of texture. It's quite smushy, and I've just literally just tapped my finger on it, and that's what I got. So that's going to be worth a try. Right, I'm going to start with my crease with Merry Very, and then darken it up with Roast Beast, which is that one there. Merry Very, here we go. I just powdered my lids. I didn't actually add any concealer. I don't have much discoloration on my lids, so I don't really need to, but feel free to if you want. Now, the texture is so lovely and satiny. It's really gorgeous. It might be drugstore prices, but it certainly has better texture than some of the high-end shadows that we pay a fortune for. So I think that's really nice. I will use some of this Max actually just to darken the outer corner. How easy does that blend? It's brilliant. I would say this is worth a pop. It'd be great for beginners. It just blends. And sort of youngsters who are just getting into makeup. I think I wouldn't sleep on this actually. It's a really, really nice collection. And just in time for the holidays. I'm going to use this dark green, cuddly as a cactus. Lovely. It took quite a long time to arrive because I'm in the UK. It had to be shipped to me and I had to wait sort of rather patiently for it to get here, but it did, and I'd say it's worth the wait. I mean, I'm just tapping this on and it just blends so easily. I'm actually using a very flat brush for this bit. So that has gone on so well, and it blends so easily. I mean, I will blend it, but look at that, isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to take this colour here and just, now I have wrinkles here, so I don't often wear shimmers in the corner. The only thing that's missing here is a pure white, actually, if you don't want sparkle in your inner corner. So I'm going to try the pink, that one there. I keep sticking my fingers into. And I'm just going, oh, you see, oh, that's nice. That works. Right, don't need a white. Now for me, I would probably not put anything on the lower lash line, but for you guys, I'm going to do a little bit. I'm just going to join that to the end. A little bit halfway. Don't want to close my eyes up. I'm wondering whether to put some Mr. Grinch in the middle. I might actually, shall I? Yeah, I will. Just here. So I'm just going to take a blending brush, just very gently, because I've got the shape that I want. And I'm just going to very gently just blend these out, and no fallout. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Love them, love it, love it, love it, love it. As I say, Colourpop isn't necessarily drugstore prices, but it's very affordable, and I don't know how they do it, but their formulas are beyond awesome. I would stop there again, but I'm going to try some of this Santa Claus, and I'm going to try it on the lash line. This is where it could all go horribly wrong. Just the tiniest touch. You can hardly see it, but it is doing something. It's giving a little bit more depth to my lash line. This is so cool.
0, 1, 3. Let's get started.
I'm going to try one of these two. These are the highlighters, and one is pink and the other's a goldy colour. I can't decide which one to use. I'm going to try the pink one just because I'm doing this for you guys so you can see. I might use my finger. That's what it looks like. I know you've seen the swatches, but just patting it on. It's really light. You can build it up. No, I don't really want to do that, but see it. It does go on exactly where you put it, so do be careful with your placement. But it is absolutely lovely. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to try the gold, but I'm going to try it. If any of you have seen that recent video of mine where I tried all of Makeup by Mario's techniques after watching one of his masterclasses, and he suggested putting highlighter not under the brow bone, but just over the brow bone. Actually, I might add a little bit there. And this one is the goldy colour, goldy white colour. Right, I'm going to do lips next. There are two different colours. I'm going to use the pink colourway as it'll match the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm going to do that before I do the last thing, which is this Who Hash glitter gel, which it says it's a body glitter, but I'm just going to try and do a little bit on my face. So I'm going to do that last in case it goes horribly wrong. So I'm going to take off my lip mask. It's lined, and then this is a push-up. And look at that colour.
Oh, that's real good.
Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous? No effort, just a bit of liner, and this is just stunning. I did also get, in the bundle, 3 lip glosses. I will use them, it's just that I wanted to show a full lip today. Okay, now for when it might go horribly wrong with the Who Hash. Let's try it. It's basically a gel that has a ton of glitter in it. As you saw in the demo, I used it with a brush and I actually then read it needs to be added. It'd be better if it was added with fingers. So here goes. And I'm not sure if you're supposed to apply it to your face, but I'm going to give it a go. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. I've got tiny stars in the highlighter around my eyes. Wow. Just need to start. I need a few more stars here. The only thing is you can't actually tell where the stars happen, so it's a bit random, which is good because it looks natural, but you can't then sort of even it out. And I have probably more stars this side than I have this side. But that is amazing. That is so good. If you did put it on for the holidays, you can put it on your shoulders, you can put it wherever you want. There you go, my first Colourpop full look. Please do like, subscribe, put the notifications on, because I do upload at least once a week. And yeah, might not be drugstore, but I'm telling you, the prices are low and the quality's high. Good old Colourpop.